welcome to the Taglog YouTube channel. Today for this video of Taglog, I will be showing you how to delete your Uber account. Now for that, open the Uber application and you need to get logged in into the account. Once you have been logged in into the account, tap on Accounts on the bottom right. And here on this page, you need to tap on Setting. In the Setting page, you need to tap on Privacy. Tap that. On the privacy, you tap on Privacy Center. Tap on it. It will direct you to this page. And here you need to scroll down and you will have the account deletion inside account security. Click on it. This will begin the deletion process of your account. Now type in the phone number or the email address. Type in the email address, then tap on Continue. Now a 4-digit code has been sent to the email address or the phone number of yours. You need to copy that and paste it over here. Delete your account. Here are all the Uber account that you want to delete. So once you delete your account, all this information will be deleted as well. Tap on Continue. You need to provide a reason for why you choose to delete it. Tap that and then at the end tap on Delete Account. Your account deletion request was successful. You will now be logged out. So this is how you can delete your Uber account. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Taglog YouTube channel. Thank you.